Clearing your search history on Disney Plus can help maintain your privacy and improve your viewing experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open the Disney Plus app. Launch the Disney Plus application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Navigate to your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access account settings. In the drop-down menu, find and select Account or Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various account features. Step 4. Find Viewing History. Look for an option labeled Viewing History or Search History. This section contains all the titles you have searched for or watched. Step 5. Clear Search History. Select the option to clear or delete your search history. Confirm your choice if prompted, and your search history will be removed. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Disney Plus. Enjoy your viewing experience without any past searches influencing your recommendations.